Alright people, what's going on? Welcome to Will Shaves. But today it is called Cooking with Will Shaves. We are going to be making some egg McMuffins, homemade egg McMuffins. Got nothing but the best here. We got Land O'Lakes butter. And we will be using Eggland's Best eggs. I'm sorry for the camera position. I really need to get a tripod. Really. So it'll come in handy with videos like these, you know what I mean? And we have English muffins, the Thompson kinds. Woo! So we're gonna be doing that. Let me get, there's the muffin here. We're gonna cut it and split it. Gonna get some hands-on stuff right now. Yeah, this sucks. I really need a tripod. Then you could see everything. So let's turn the heat on. It's right there. Right here. Okay guys. I'm gonna take some butter here. And we're going to, you see that there? And put some in the pan. Let this heat up. Oh yes. Oh boy. Hope everybody's doing well. Having lots of good shaves and eating lots of good food. There's my spatula. So, here are the eggs. I think we'll just do one for now. But while that's heating up, let's split our muffin here. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, yes. And we're gonna pop this in the toaster. The toaster's over here. So we're gonna go ahead and oh damn it, there we go. Hang on a second here, fellas. Gotta plug it in. I forget to do these kinds of things. There we are, it's plugged in. And our muffins are down. Okay, now we got the, there we are. We're gonna crack our egg. And here we go. Oh yes. Check that out, dudes. And it's gonna cook. We're gonna bump the heat up a little bit. Excuse me. And here's all the cornmeal from that from that muffin there. I was gonna make two, but one's enough. One is enough. So we got the egg. It's cooking. Garlic, salt. And onion salts. Let's just go with the onion. So we're going to use onion salt. We're going to sprinkle just a little. That's enough right there. Hope you guys can see that egg cooking. Oh yeah. Just gonna hang around for minutes. Okay, we got our butter. We got the egg. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to turn this egg. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Perfect turn. And we're going to turn the heat all the way off because it's still hot. And we want the egg runny. Okay. Ooh, it's popping, boy. Popping, popping. Yes. Yes. All right. Yeah, it's popping. Now. Okay, we got our muffin. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Okay. We're gonna take some butter. And we are going to just butter this. Oh man. There we go. Yeah, I really need to get a tripod. I'm sorry. I'd love to show you the whole view, but it's, man. Here we go. Okay, we got some good butter on there. You see that? And these damn messages. Got some butter there. All right, now. What we're going to do now is take this out, and look at that. That yolk is going to be super runny, and that's what we want, hopefully. We're going to place it on here. Ooh. And I did have cheese, but we're not going to use cheese. So we're just going to do an egg McMuffin. And here it is, guys. Look, ow, ow, that's hot. And there we are. We'll take the cap, put it right on top of there. Let's see if I can hold it without. And look at that. You got yourself a perfect egg McMuffin. Oh man, it's great. Look at the butter just dripping off there. So, we're going to take a taste test. Here we are, and here we go. Bon appetit, guys. And that shot. Let me see here. Look at that. We got yolk running. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Absolutely good. All right. Sorry for smacking. All right, guys. Just thought I'd do a little something different here. Got the egg McMuffin that we did. Cooking with Will Shaves. All right, guys. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Everybody have a great Saturday, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.